Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to assemble the Thule T2 Pro XTR bike rack. This fits with a 2-inch receiver and carries 2 bikes. This model is new in 2021 because it has an R, which stands for rolling wheels, so you can transport and store it easier. Let's take a look in the box. So inside you have 2 wheel carriers, the sliders, the rails, a second rail, it comes with some hardware, instructions, and then you have the main piece. It's easy enough for me to do and lift all by myself. There, so it's in. Then you put the locking pin into the receiver like that, into the hole. Now I'm going to lift this lever up, and to do so there's a handle, so you squeeze the handle and then it slides up so that we can access this lock knob underneath. So now the lever's in the upright position, we'll insert the key into the lock knob. Now it's important to note that the lock knob will spin freely until the key in the lock is in. So you insert it, and you just have to wiggle a little bit, but it will eventually go in. You just need to be patient. I'm going to tighten the lock nut, and you spin until it's firm. And once it's firm, give the lever a little wiggle just to make sure that it's tight enough. And put a little arm muscle into it, and it gets tighter. Now you turn the key to the lock position and you can remove it. Then this knob should spin freely and it's locked. Now you will see it's secure and it doesn't move. Now I'm going to put the rail on the main arm, and you can see there's 4 pre-drilled holes in the rail that the 4 screws will go into once I attach it to the main arm. So you place it and then attach the screws. I'm going to put the wheel tray on the bike carrier. It comes with screws to screw it in with. So it goes in this direction and you just slide it in. Now we're going to put the wheel straps on the rails, and then you make sure that the release button is facing out towards the back, and it just slides on. It's snug, but it'll slide on. Now I'm going to insert the 2 end caps into the ends of the rails and then tighten it with a washer and a screw from underneath. There's a pre-drilled hole. I'm now going to load the bike onto the bike rack. So the front wheel goes in the wheel tray. And you lift up the bar, press the lever, tighten it to the wheel, and then the back one, the strap, goes down and insert and tighten. I have 2 bikes on this bike rack, and I had to lower the seat for the back bike so that there was enough clearance and distance between the bike seat and the handlebar. The one thing I really like about this model is that it has rolling wheels on the bottom. So you can wheel the bike rack to mount onto the hitch or away for storage. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and I hope you enjoy your biking.